Hi, I'm Sandy and I'm the Head of Migration at Thinking Australia.
Come and see the real thing, come and see the real thing, come and see.
I'm a registered migration agent and I monitor all of the files that are lodged with the Department of Immigration and skill assessments and all the associated documentation with a visa application to Australia. Australia is keen to get as many business people setting up business in Australia. There are a range of business visas that are open to current business owners, previous business owners. Even Australia has started to recognise that people in senior management roles can also use those skills to establish themselves in a business in another country. So the doors are well and truly open for those sorts of people, as well as investors. Australia is looking for a range of business type people to bring their skills and establish themselves in Australia.
Come and see the real thing, come and see the real thing, come and see.
At the moment, Australia is welcoming all business. And you don't have to actually set up the same type of business. You can have a history of business in one field here in another country and establish a brand new type of business in Australia. It's all about using the skills and transferring them from here to your new business in Australia. The good thing is many people can keep their business interests here in the UK and establish new ones in Australia at the same time. And then when they're successful in gaining their permanent residency, they have dual residency rights in both countries. Australia never asks that you hand in your Brit passport, so you've got the freedom for both. And also, I mean, the doorway is open to, any type of business that you want to be running. You may be doing electrical work here, but you may want to open up a new restaurant in Australia. The challenges are completely open to the applicant. There is a state sponsorship scheme available in most of the states and territories where an applicant can apply to that state to endorse them coming in and setting up their business in the state. Each state will give different assistance, whereas Queensland at the moment is encouraging employers and businesses to set up in Queensland and offering reduced payroll taxes to, put that little added benefit there for a possible business employer. We offer free face-to-face consultations with agents so that prospective clients can know exactly what their rights are, what their options are, and also the other services that we can also offer with some of our working partners. By us being based in Australia to process the visas, of course, we have the access available to both immigration and states at any point in time, so we can research which is the best option for our clients, especially if they haven't decided on a particular state. Firstly, to contact us to determine if they are eligible, and if they are, what visa they're eligible. Sometimes they can be eligible for more than one visa, or they may only have one particular option open to them, but that's our job to find the best possible option for them with the less risk. Some visas hold risk, particularly some of the employer-sponsored visas, but all of our business visas expect people to bring their skills, use them in Australia, and hopefully establish a whole new life in Australia. So if you are a business owner or a senior manager or perhaps even an investor in the UK looking for alternatives, perhaps Australia is one that you should consider. So contact us at Thinking Australia and we'll certainly outline your options for you.